Hey everybody, it's Morgan. The world's gone crazy. Common sense is out the window. Let's make a video about the real reason you need to carry a pocket knife. Not to open letters, not do any number of goofy things. Yes, the real reason you need to carry a pocket knife. You're all like, what does a t-shirt and a pair of socks have to do with why you need to carry a pocket knife? Well, kids, it's really simple. One day you're going to run out of toilet paper. There's going to be none to be found. You're going to have two choices. You're going to have a pair of socks where you can cut the tops off, making yourself a lovely pair of ankle socks. That's right. You're going to have to cut the sleeves off your t-shirt. Now, some of you are watching this video shaking your head, doing this, going, oh my God, this guy's a savage animal. Some of you are like, been there. It's true, kids. And I also know who's going to rip this off. Guaranteed. Stay tuned. Hey, like and subscribe. And remember, always carry a pocket knife. Because if there's no TP around, you're going to have to improvise. Have a great day. Cheers.